What's up guys, this is Fajinio. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to do a review of a wireless charger which I got on Amazon in around $21. So let's check it out. If you guys are new to my channel, then I do tech reviews, travel videos and also inspirational videos. Hit that like button and subscribe button so that you don't miss on any of the future updates. As always, all the links for this charger and the gears I use are in the description below. So about a year ago, I got my phone iPhone XS which supported wireless charging, and I got a charger like this with that phone, and this charger got the job done of charging my phone. So I didn't feel like I needed any wireless charger to charge my phone because I felt like it was a total waste of money until I got chance to use a wireless charger at my workplace. I mean, it was so convenient to use the wireless charger. I could just put my phone on top of this wireless charger and boom, it was charging. And again, if I need to pick up the phone, then I just can pick up the phone and use the phone. So I don't need two hands to charge the phone like this, again uncharged. So I didn't need to go through that hassle. So I put it on the bedside table and just needed one hand for charging purposes. Also, a wireless charger can charge your iPhone or Android phone or any other devices that supports wireless charging. And currently a lot of earphones also support wireless charging. So this single wireless charger can be used for a lot of purposes such as your phone and also your earpods and all those things. So after I felt like I needed a wireless charger, I googled around and found out that a wireless charger costs from around $9 to $9. I didn't have that much budget for my charger, so I went out to Amazon and I found out the best reviewed budget wireless charger, which is this $21 wireless charger. Till the recording of this video, it had got 4.2 stars out of 5, and a lot of people said that it was very good. I think the design is pretty cool and shiny. You also get a couple of variations on top of this model. So it has a light which turns on when we put a device on top of this charger to indicate that it's being charged. It also has an anti-slip fit at the bottom, so it stays put on my desk. So I have been using this charger for around a month and I'm pretty satisfied and very happy with this charger. So I highly recommend this charger for you guys as well. It's a budget charger and you can find it around $21, which is quite cheap for a wireless charger. That's all folks for today, and I'll see you in the next video. I got to do some cleaning of the house.